Okay, don't know how in there, but Unity crashed and OBS crashed. That was fun. Great. Oh, hey! Oh, never mind. I thought these were moving with the scene camera, but nope. Alright, well, back to it. Let me see how this is looking now. It's like fine except for the end. And in fact, I'm pretty sure it's like clipping through the floor a little bit. Let's try this again. Right back at it. Yeah, I'm not sure what happened there, but oh well. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Again, it's just this end part that's being really weird to get back to the center and have it look proper enough. I don't know. It almost looks like I don't want to shorten the animation because it needs to be a certain length, but it almost looks like if I were to shorten this, it would be better. Or not. And also because it crashed, I can't exactly undo back to where I was. Unfortunate, but be how it be. How was this better before, and then it just ruined it, and I can't get back to where it was? And actually, this should be still leaned in a lot more, I think. Not like that, but like this. Yeah, it shouldn't lean out yet. Well, I was gonna have this transition to being leaning out to then going back in. Whoa, new room. Hello, hello, William. New room? Not entirely. No. Same room as before streams. Also, yeah, we're messing with doing some animation-y stuff and cool unicycle things. But right now I'm failing to make a little animation, but I can show you how the rest of it is looking so far. So, we got unicycle movement. Woo! And it's awesome. Very, very cool. Rides that are breaking, and we have to... Oh, well, okay, didn't get to do it in time because they all just broke and we go in and out of play mode. They won't be all breaking all at once like this in the actual thing, but we can go up to rides and we can fix them before they break, and even the bubbles like disappear nicely. It's cool, and yeah. And right now we're working on hazards to do this kind of thing. Just sort of stun you, and you can't move. You have to wait for it to... Actually, yeah, which is kind of fine. I just don't like how the end of it is. Also, you know, it's temporary that there's no like people, but that stuff will be there eventually. Oh, the pedals. Oh no, the pedals broke. And the wheel broke. The wheels turned before. And I seem to have broken them. Okay, why? Why oh why? Like, I know part of why, but it's with animation stuff. That is, if I delete this and this, will that fix the wheels? Please? No! How did I not notice that that was happening? Haha, that's so cool. It is, except that there's a thing here that's now not working. That's a concern. If I turn off the animator, then it'll start working hopefully. No? I noticed the pedals spinning when they shouldn't be. If I just get rid of this entirely, then it should fix it, right? No, what? Wait, what? Why? Oh, it's a different thing causing that. Excuse me? Why is the wheel not spinning anymore? Oh, I know why. Oops, I know exactly why. Ha 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 ha, that's my bad. I need to change some references. Because of the thing I do with the wheel. This wheel reference and wheel are two different objects. Yeah, okay. Whew. Except now I need to fix all this, but where variables now have some wrong names, which will be fine. It's not too often. Okay. Yeah, wheel ref there, and then in spin wheel using wheel, and that's the difference. Those are two different things now. They used to be the same thing. Okay. Please. All right. So head reference, wheel reference, and wheel. All right. Now is that gonna work again? Please. There we go. Now that's happening. Yeah. And know with this. Do the wheels kind of spin when that's happening? I'm not sure. No, they get overridden, it looks like, but that's fine. So yeah, this is a little stun animation for now. And wait, is it clipping through the floor? Looks like the wheels are clipping through the floor a bit, so I might just, or maybe they're not. Let me double check. Yeah. All right, yeah, that's pretty fine. No. Okay. Now the other thing, one last little thing I was gonna do is bobble seems to be good. Is there anything I could do with the scale here? It needs to be one at the end and one at this end. I don't know, like this. Not a lot, but 0.9. What about There's no way. I'm not confident in this looking good, but. Interesting, interesting. Just seems like he comes out of it a bit too late, maybe, but. Interesting. It's not terrible. Sure. It adds. It adds. Alright. Kind of thing I'll have to see though, like when actually I might go not as much. 0.95 and 0.905 and I could have it be more of a bobbling, but yeah, for now I'll just do this. Still not entirely happy with the end part of it, but I can't figure out how to make it better. It just turns on the spot. Maybe at this point, make it lean forward more. Something like that. This part should start leaning outwards, maybe. Because it's leaning in, and then like right at the end it kind of leans out as it spins back around to being straight up again. Just made this part overshoot. But then this shouldn't be as far out to something like that. Yeah, just try to make a good little animation for this thing. It is certainly tricky. but it's getting there, I think. Okay. I like the way that the bottom moves, but I just can't make it better. It's like, does it need more keyframes? Could we turn more that way? Don't turn all the way back just yet. Starting to turn back or something like that, maybe? How can I have less of a swivel there? Okay. Move that over and maybe move this back. No, that's fine. And the end part is fast enough that you don't really notice. Okay, so with that, let me animate this stuff again, because I undid it before. Let's see about doing something like this. It's not, the wheels spin a bit. It's hard to tell, but they are. And the pedals are spinning too with that. Let's go another 360. It's fast, but it's meant to be fast, so. I'm just curious now of... Wait, did I get rid of the scale changing? Oh, no, that's just a different game object. Yes. Yeah, no, really. I'm curious of if I actually started with him going like bigger. Didn't even really notice. It's so quick that maybe like there. And then by here it goes 0.95. What if I went up instead of out? Let me have a look at it in actual play mode. It's hard to tell without a person. I think I'll go back to how it was before, where you just shrink slightly, but yeah, definitely, yeah, messing with the scale does kind of help with, I don't know, it adds. So put this back how it was, maybe like there. You may also by here, you're back to full scale, maybe a bit sooner than the end. I still don't like the fast swivel, but again, can I make that better? Maybe a slower swivel is actually what this needs. Can't decide. Don't know. Maybe to have it be like less of a swivel, I could have it be starting to turn earlier. Maybe that's it. That's what I need. Yeah, actually that does help. Okay. Maybe I overdid a little bit, but yeah, a bit more swivel earlier. That's less of a swivel there. Okay, okay, there we go. Okay. There we go. Okay, do I want to do anything to the, like, the person? Handy Herald Temp? This is something I wouldn't want to waste too much time on, but, like, real quick and, easy that I could do. I could have him spin extra compared to the... Is this guy... Was he rotated this whole time? He's been rotated slightly, and he shouldn't be. What about if he rotated the opposite way? It's gonna look weird, but... I mean, with an actual person, it could, you know, add to the whole, I'm off balance and maybe gonna fall. Maybe you shouldn't spin as much, but maybe like 360 in the direction... Oh, right, with an actual person, if I want them to still be pedaling, that will not work. So, maybe not. Oh, well, I guess one thing is that he could lean separately. Not lean like that, but lean like... that, like he's really gonna fall. Oh. No. Oh, hit the next music and thing. Sure. What? How's your final position being like that? Oh, it needs to be just the same as whatever the start position was. 1.98. 1.98 it shall be. Maybe you should lean in. Try that. It'd also be nice and handy if the just like pivot was better, but I don't get that luxury. Nah, it just kind of looks more like he's successfully bouncing. Like, I'd rather it look more like he is leaning out like he's going to fall. So I'd rather it be more the other way. Maybe here he leans out. Something like that. Okay, maybe. I don't know if I like that. Might be too much. I think I'm gonna ditch the, yeah, animating Handy Herald. I think it's better without. If I were to do it, I'd do it very maybe subtly, but it's fine how it is. Because, again, eventually I'll have an actual person. Okay, yeah, it's good. I'm happy with it. And does it look fine when if you get hit when you're standing still? Yeah, that's another thing. Like, it's fine when you're moving, and, yeah. Oh, no. He's slowly floating up. That's a problem. No, why? How about no? Why are you doing any of what you're doing? Let me have a look at what may be the culprit. Where are you? This going slightly off the ground every time or something. See, after this, these should all be back to being zeroed out. They should not be having values. Oh wait, I can turn off apply root motion now, I think. Yeah. Is this working? Hard to tell. Some of these like almost zero values are like, maybe it's fine. Yeah. Okay, that worked. Easy fix. I'll take it. Yeah, okay. No, wait, the wheels again. Oh, why the wheels again? When did that happen? No. I thought I had that sorted out. Is that because I'm turning the wheel in an animation and it's overriding my ability to turn it with like physics and stuff? Because that's what it seems like, and that's baloney. So I might just not be able to do that. That's... It'd be nice if I could. Because well, why is it doing that? Because the idle animation isn't touching the wheel. So when it's on the idle animation, the wheel should be able to turn however they want. That's what I would like to have happen. Okay, if I delete that, then can I turn the wheels? Yeah. So it means that, unfortunately, the wheels won't turn in the animation, which I would have liked them to. Unless I can turn them with physics. Like more, programming stuff, but, I don't know. Why? Why can't I? There's gotta be something I could modify to be able to do it. Because I'm not modifying the wheels here. How about I'll go mess with values and see if there's anything I can do. Right defaults I have off. Which I don't know what that actually does. Apply root motion, yeah. Okay, so... I guess I just push buttons and see what happens. So if I turn this off, yeah, then suddenly I can animate them. So I could turn on and off the animator when you get hit, but I shouldn't have to. Because eventually I will have an animation always going on for the top part of the player, and I'd like to have that go on with the wheels not being affected. Oh. Just messing with all these values and seeing if they can do anything for me. So I don't want root motion because that was causing the weird floating up stuff. Why? Could I look at the files of the animation itself, I wonder? Like this. So fall actually shouldn't have loop time. But I don't think that's what's affecting this. Oh. Well, okay, that's not something I want, apparently. Hmm. Would IK Pass do anything? Why is this the case? Mask. Hmm. Yeah, why can I not turn the wheels with animation, like part animation, part things? Because that's gonna be a problem for our other like procedural animation stuff. It's like I have to do it entirely procedurally or not, or I don't know. Hmm. Oh right. Well, trying to preview it while it's in play mode is probably not good for it. Hmm. Yeah, if I try to modify this, I can't. Because it's overwriting it, but it shouldn't be. Okay, guess I gotta do some Googling and see if I can figure out how to have that not happen. I don't know. Overriding transform. Oh, this is a thing. Okay, I guess I could do the same thing I did with the pivot. Not like that. I guess that's an idea. Sure. Not like that, but oh, not like that. Not like that. But just go create an empty wheel pivot. The wheel under that. Why not? Oh, because you're because of your model. Yeah. Okay. I need to unpack you then. Unpack. Where's? Then I can do this and then do that. So now if I control this one through code and this one through the animation, then maybe it'll be fine. We're gonna see. So I need to give the one that this uses this thing. And I don't know if the animation thing is gonna work or if it's now gonna break because like, I can't find the wheel. This is a problem. Yeah. No, can I not just tell it where it is? Are you serious? Are you serious? I can't just be like, hey, I found it. Use this, please. Fine. What if I copied? I like, could copy the keys, delete this, and well, I don't know. Fine. This I can just reanimate this part, but that's annoying. Okay. So just add 360 and call it a day. I don't know if I want 360 or 720, but. So that's it doing one full rotation. Yeah, I think I have to do 2 rotations. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so then Let's see if that works. Please. Oh yeah, okay, no, that's fine. The wheel pivots in on the right place, of course. 0.5. This go be 0. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Well, we're gonna see if this actually works or not. Okay. Okay. We finally got both things to happen. Yes. Success. Yeah. Alright. Okay, so... Whew, yeah, we had a lot more progress today. Oh, Petalute, congrats. Yeah, thank you. Also, hello. Welcome to the stream. Yeah, unicycles and all that. Let me put this in full screen and also do this and this. Yeah, this is the Handyman with the unicycle. It's a school project, but also, yeah, cool game that we're making. You're a handyman on a unicycle, and you ride around a crazy carnival fixing rides before they break. And we've just implemented hazards working with some proper, like, animation stuff combined with some procedural animation stuff, and getting that all to work, getting both of them to work at the same time, which was being very problematic, but we figured it out. So, woo, yeah. And we also, if I go out and back into play mode, the whole ride fixing mechanic, that's working. So we can go up to rides, we can fix them, even also we turn towards rides when we're fixing them, which is more of a temporary thing for eventually an animation, maybe of us like banging a wrench against it or something. Would be cool. And yeah. So yeah, we've been doing a lot of things. A lot of little things that really add to the experience that have been working well. So cool. We have a basic hazard. Now, I don't know how well this is going to translate to, like, well, if we have, like, an air hazard or something, Oh, procedural is so scary for me, haha, I've just done keyframes in Blender. This is my first time doing some procedural stuff, too, so it is interesting, and, it is tricky, but, I guess I've been learning, so that's good, and I guess I've learned certain guidelines where it's like, do this, and you will be less likely to have problems. For example, don't animate an object, or objects that you animate and, well, I don't know how to word the thing I'm trying to say. For like, okay, this, our unicycle. I have unicycle pivot. I control this through code. And then I have unicycle. This is controlled entirely through animation. Basically, transforms, or objects that can be controlled through animation, don't touch them with code. Instead, have basically an empty game object in the same place and touch that instead. And that tends to, I've had more luck with that. So, yeah, it's my sagely wisdom. But, yeah. Alright, we did this. I'm not sure what I want to do next, but also it is 2:30 in the morning for me, so yeah, I think with ending in triumph of things working, I might call it for this stream. Actually, one thing I will do is make this a little wider, so these are kind of actually on there. This is all the art here is temporary, with the exception of this fancy schmancy unicycle model that looks pretty snazzy, if I do say so myself. Also made that myself, so yeah. Oh right, I forgot to move me back to this side. I'm usually on this side. I've been on the other side for ages because I was doing lots of inspector work, but yeah, let me apply some prefabs here, just for the cleanliness of doing so. No, turn lock mouse back on, have that be the default. And our rides, make sure that's all where that should be. Even all this could revert. Oh, no, except not the materials, but yeah, whatever, that's fine, I don't need to do that. Hazard, let's make that a prefab. Okay, cool. Yeah, alright, yeah, making a lot of cool progress. I'm not sure what I want to do next. There's a lot of things we could do, so I want to do a tightrope obstacle at some point. Also, just more fancy types of obstacles. Want to have a lot of variety, and not just obstacles as like more things like this that hurt you, but just different models. But so yeah, like projectiles, things that I don't know if I'd call it obstacles, but more things that do things to your movement, like speed boosts and maybe ramps and things like that. I had an idea of having like a cannon that would like launch you across the map if they're big enough, which could be cool. That could be interesting. What other thing? I have a list of some potential obstacles and all that, and yeah, power-ups was going to be another thing, so we could do that. I have a bit of a list of the things we're going to be making, and I mean, I have a huge this game design document over here. Shabam. All that. This is ideally what our main character is going to look like at some point. I don't know when I'm going to set aside the time to make him, but that's going to take a while. I'm not a great artist, but I've been able to make things decently, but they just take me a while. But yeah, anyways, but yeah, I think for now we're going to probably end things off. Yeah, because it is getting quite. I've been going for a while. It's getting quite late for me, and I also, well, I was going for what, like, it was like 6 hours or something. But my stream crashed, so that's why it's only 36 right now. But meh, it is how it is. Yeah, and then I think next time, will I be working on this tomorrow? Possibly. That's up in the air. I'll probably be streaming tomorrow. Whether I'm doing this or something else is to be figured out then. If I am doing this, we'll probably, yeah, continue with more obstacles or more functionality. Or, we'll see. There's a whole day mechanic in the 3 strikes, the thing with the rides breaking. Could start doing more of that to get this feeling more like a game, but we'll see. I'll figure that out. But let me, oh, you know what? I'm going to see if I can raid someone. I keep saying that I'm going to do it, and then keeps keep not doing it. Or maybe I'm not. Okay, never mind. There's no one that I'm following that's streaming in the software and game development section. So I guess. Okay. Well, I remember, and hopefully later another time I will. But I only raid like I think one person so far. I keep needing to raid people, but then I end the stream and I'm like, shoot, I didn't do it. But I remember this time, just wasn't able to act on it. Oh well. Nice to keep it up later. Yeah. Yeah, thanks for being here, Pecha Loot, something like that, something along those lines, and the other few people here. Yeah, appreciate people, checking out the stuff that I'm working on, and as we continue this game and it makes more progress, yeah, it'll continue to grow and be even cooler, especially when we get to the point of adding more polished type stuff. But yeah, anyways, I think we'll end things off here for today. So that'll do it. Let me take these off. You guys can see the music or whatever. That'll do it for this live stream. If you liked it, look forward to more. Thank you all so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you around.